Hello heavy metal maidens and masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little cheeky Killstar haul. I was a naughty girl. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss any of the things that come up in this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, it is so helpful, it really helps to support the channel, and if you are already subscribed, thank you. Hit that notification bell so that you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, a little mini Killstar haul. Killstar had their Labor Day sale, which is always the week after the UK August bank holiday. A lot of people on our Killstar Addicts Anonymous group on Facebook were freaking out because there was no August bank holiday sale. I did keep saying to everybody, it's always Labor Day, because Killstar are now based in America. They always go with the American bank holidays, so, you know, I was like, calm, it will come, and it did come. It's come the last, what, 3-4 years, I think, you know, they are nothing but predictable, and they know that we all wait for a sale, so, you know, because I'm not paying full price for my Killstar. But remember, you can, of course, join our Killstar Addicts Anonymous group on Facebook. We would love to have you. We discuss cut, fit, we show each other pictures of what we bought, we discuss how much stuff we want to buy, we discuss what we don't like, we discuss problems, etc. There's so much stuff that goes on there. And also remember, there is our Alternative Fashion Addicts Anonymous group on Facebook too, which is where we discuss everything. Well, we discuss Killstar too, but we discuss all the other brands. So we would love to have you in both groups. They are such wonderful, supportive groups. There's so many people there. We all just like talking about fashion because, you know, we're all a bit obsessed with alternative fashion. So join us, we'd love to have you. On with the Killstar haul. Now, I didn't actually buy the first things that I'm going to show you in this particular haul, but I haven't had an opportunity to show you them. I've basically picked one up every so often when I've bought more from Kate's Clothing actually, because, you know, I've been like, oh, I fancy getting that right, I fancy getting that ring, and I hadn't had an opportunity to show you. And I thought, you know what, I'm doing a Killstar haul, these are Killstar rings, I'm going to show you. So, I have 4 rings for you, here we go. They are the Trinity Ring, they are the Isma Ring, they are the Dione Ring, which is a bit wonky, the Dione Ring, and the Cyra Ring. Like I said, I got them all from Kate's Clothing. I think I paid about £15 for each one, depends if they're on a sale, I had a discount, blah blah blah. They're lovely rings, really comfortable. I have got fat, chunky little fingers. I have not got beautiful, delicate hands. I struggle in that basically most of the time I end up having to buy the men's size of rings. These are ours. It is quite handy in that there's always my size in stock because where I have fat fingers, they always have my size left. So I had to buy them in the biggest size. I measured my fingers, did it wrong the first time, ended up having to send them back, reorder, you know, the whole you know, that drill. But I'm really pleased with them. They're really comfortable. I think they've got a new range of what I would call the not shiny silver ones. They're the more gunmetal style ones, and I would probably be picking up a few of them as I go along to go with my gunmetal jewellery that I've got from Killstar now, because they do look a bit strange when you've got shiny and then the sort of matte metal jewellery on. But that's just because I am the queen of everything has to match. Yeah, my daughter's picked it up too. We love a matchy. In fact, we also love to match with each other, you know. So she's not going to love it forever, so I'll take it now. But yes, I love these rings. This one, the Trinity Ring and the Cyra Ring, they can be a little bitey. This one, the point on the triangle likes to get you in the top of the knuckle, and this one, all the points, they like to go in the top of your knuckle on both ends of your finger, and this one particularly gets stuck in shopping bags and things as well. So if you want comfortable, I would definitely say the Isma and the Dione are definitely more comfortable. I think they've now brought out one called a Juliet ring, which is similar to this one, the Dione ring. Yeah, I think they've brought out one that's very similar to this one called the Juliet ring. If you want that more comfortable style, because although they have points on them, they're nowhere near as jabby as these ones are. But yeah, they're quite good though. If you get in a fight, you're going to hurt someone. Not that I particularly go around smacking people in the face, you know. It's not my style. I cut you down with my words. But Right, the next things that I wanted to show you is some Killstar sunglasses. Now, these ones are actually sold out. These are the Breed sunglasses. I've had these for almost exactly a year now. And I love these sunglasses. They're so cool. They've got the little moons on the side. And because I love them, they were so comfortable. When I saw these ones come in the drop, these are the Enchantra sunglasses, I had to have them. I knew they were, because they're a similar shape, I knew they were going to fit me, because I know Mama Goth said that she's bought some of the other ones and they just didn't fit her at all. But I must admit, as soon as she bought these, I messaged her and was like, what are they like? And she said they fitted her face, so I was like, I'm having them. I'd actually been messaging Kate's Clothing for weeks going, are you going to get them in? Are you going to get them in? And eventually Ruth messaged me back and said, buy them direct, because they didn't think they were going to get them in. And I love them. They are really comfortable, really beautiful. They fit my face well. I have quite a small head. If you've got a really large head, you might struggle to fit them. But, you know, I have a fairly small head and they fit me fine. The only little downside of these is because all of this beautiful filigree on the side of the sunglasses, it's really, really beautiful, but it is attached on afterwards. It's screwed on, which is great. It's really nice. It means that, you know, it's not part of the moulding, so it makes it finer. It means your hair can get caught in it. So I have had a couple of times where I've just tried to whip my sunglasses off a bit quick in the wind and got my hair wrapped in it and then been like, it won't come out. So, you know, if you've got the kind of hair that likes to wrap around stuff, these might not be the glasses for you. You know, my hair doesn't break that easily. I'm very lucky that I can nuke my hair like this and it still doesn't break. If you've got the kind of hair that all you've got to do is touch it and it breaks off, these are not the sunglasses for you. You're just going to end up with chunks of hair coming off. But they are beautiful and they come in these lovely little like scuba material pouches, which are great. I was really sad. I thought I'd lost this one at work, and then my friend Neil came in the next day and was like, I found your sunglasses pouch. I knew it was yours because it said Killstar on it. And that predictable. I hugged him because I was so pleased that I got them back. So yes, these are my two pairs of sunglasses. I have seen the Breed sunglasses with the little moons on them on Depop, but they are sold out on their website. But email them. If you keep petitioning them to get them back in, they may well get them back in. You know, at the end of the day, they do have to listen to their customers a bit. So, right, now, the main bulk of the haul. So, the main things I got in the haul were the Enchantra sunglasses and these. This is the Sacred Sixx crop top and the Sacred Sixx skirt. I have seen so many people wearing this. I've seen people wearing it at Comic-Con. I saw people wearing it when I was at London Edge. I saw people wearing it just in the street, and it was when I was at London Edge, the girl was wearing the entire ensemble and she looked amazing in it, that I was like, I'm buying it, I'm buying it. So I ordered it pretty much there and then. I think I went back to the hotel and just ordered it straight away because the sale was on at the time, and it looks spectacular. It flows beautifully. The skirt is really well made. I know some of the stuff from Killstar can be a bit rubbish sometimes, but it is a really well made skirt. They've really thought about the construction of it. It's got this lovely thick panel here which has a little bit of stretch to it. I think it is elasticated inside, but they haven't ruched the fabric here because this is chiffon. So they haven't ruched the fabric here, but it will give a little. But then at the back, they've ruched it and put the elastic through so that it really does have stretch at the back. So it's very comfortable when you wear it. This zip is one hell of a sturdy zip. I mean, this weighs quite a bit, this hexagram. It does weigh quite a bit, but it's a really nice, decent, very, you know, it's a good piece of metal hardware there, and the zip is lovely. It flows really well. It's not one of those cheap, nasty zips that won't, you know, you keep getting stuck, and you know sometimes when they get stuck where you've got the stitching here, it doesn't do that at all. It is a really, really beautiful skirt. I really like the way that it zips all the way out. I mean, it does, the lining obviously is attached to the zip as well. I wasn't sure whether it was just going to zip out but not actually unzip because of the lining, but it does zip all the way through. It's lined as well with polyester. I'm not fussed about whether I wear man-made or natural materials on my bottom half, because obviously you don't get that sweaty down there. I have to wear natural fibres on my top half, because yeah, I just end up a sweaty, smelly mess otherwise. But this is so beautiful. It's really well constructed. That was the thing that I really wasn't sure if it was going to be well constructed. This beautiful handkerchief hem on it is so flattering. Now, I am 5'3". I find it skims the floor on me if I've got no shoes on, and it's just off the floor if I've got a pair of boots on. But who am I kidding? I never wear flat shoes. I wore flat shoes to work a little while ago because I think I just fancied wearing flats. I think I'd hurt my foot or something, and everybody was like, oh my god, you're so short. So I never wear flat shoes because I'm only 5'3". I'm such a dink, and with Heavy Metal Hubby being 6'5", I need all the inches I can get to be anywhere near his face. So otherwise he's just talking to the top of my head all the time. But yes, this is beautiful, and it's a very high waist, by the way, that skirt, very high waist. You know, I expected it to be high. I didn't realise quite how high up it really was going to sit, but it's really flattering, and it fits beautifully with the Sacred Sixx crop top. Again, this has got the same hardware, same zip that runs all the way through it. This is a rayon, nylon and elastane mix. Now, rayon is actually, although it is a man-made material, it is made from cellulose fibres. So although it is a man-made material, it is a natural fibre, which is bizarre. So it is breathable. Obviously it needed a little bit of nylon to give it that sheen and for it to hang well and for it to look right with the chiffon on the skirt. They sit really nicely. You just get just a little peek of skin. It's not that, you know, here's 3 inches of my belly, which, you know, I'm well into my mid-30s. I am not about to be wandering around with a 6-inch stomach gap, you know. I can if I want. I can get away with it. I just don't feel comfortable doing it, you know. If I was 10, 15 years younger, I so would, you know. When I was 10, 15 years younger, I had a 6-pack, you know. I've had 2 children now. I don't want to have to work that hard to get it back. I've got better things to do. I've got you guys to film for, you know. I don't want to spend, wouldn't be able to sleep. I'd have to spend my sleeping time in the gym. So not interested, thank you. But they look magnificent together. They really do look magnificent together. I have a couple of other tops and a couple of other bottoms which, you know, I can make outfits out of, but I'm going to save them because, yeah, I'm thinking I might try and do some little outfit of the day videos for you guys soon. Just little, you know, 3-minute shots sort of thing. So I'm going to save those for those videos. But let me know what you think of the beautiful ensemble. I think the whole thing looks fantastic together as a look. The sunnies with the rings and the hardware. It just looks fantastic with this skirt and this top. I love it. I'm not normally one for actually buying the set sort of thing. I do like it when things match, but I'm a bit like, oh well, if they, you know, maybe I shouldn't buy it because if, you know, it's the same item, it might look weird together. It looks magnificent. Absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Now, I bought both items in a small. I am a UK 8 to 10. I and ahed about what to buy. Normally with dresses, I am an extra small unless they are really tight on the belly. But I thought because this is very much a high-waisted, tight on the stomach skirt, I would get a small rather than extra small because there's nothing worse than something like that being too tight. And I'm really glad I went for the small. Where it's a chiffon and therefore the fabric itself doesn't have much stretch, it was definitely the right decision to make. And I think I could have got away with the crop top in an extra small, but I think I potentially would have been a little uncomfortable in it. So I'm glad that I went for the small in both. I think, you know, I can get away with an extra small sometimes, but I think, you know, most of the time now in Killstar, I am a small. And that's a good thing. I shouldn't be the smallest size in Killstar, you know. There's a lot of people who are a lot dinkier than me. So that, you know, that's right. That's how it should be. I love them. I just think the fit is great. I love the way that the sleeves look. They're brilliant. They're brilliant. Absolutely love it. Really, really pleased with these items. So like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments. Like this video if you liked this content. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you if you already do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can find out when I next upload a video. And remember people, stay heavy.